Okay, so good evening. Uh, this video is basically a supplement sa mga problems natin sa ating classroom. Specifically, this one is for the BAT students, ano, kasi I have not met them last Thursday because of an event sa school natin. So, uh, this problem is basically the problem that you are going to solve. A similar or something like this will be given to you sa exam ninyo sa Monday, bukas, or on Tuesday, sa mga PTH sa Tuesday. Okay? So, meron din ganito sa quiz ninyo. I hope na nakita na ninyo yung quiz ninyo. And my hope is that after this one, after natin magkaroon ng example ng ganito dito, masagot nyo na ng madali yung mga quiz ninyo. Okay? So, meron tayong data dito. We have 3 columns. The first column is the name of the car. The second column is the X. Okay, this is the weight of the cars. And the third column is the Y, the miles per gallon. Ano? So, we want to determine if there is a linear relationship between the weight of the car and the miles per gallon na kayang takbuhin. Okay, I mean, how many miles per gallon of liter kayang takbuhin ng sasakyan. Okay? So, the first question here is, okay, first question is okay, I'm going to write it here, solve for the, linear, correlation, coefficient. Okay, so the linear correlation coefficient are, the linear correlation coefficient can be solved directly from our calculators. Ano? So, by now, you should know how to manipulate your calculator. So, I'm going to open my calculator now. So, nandito na yung calculator ko. And let us input, okay, in the given data. Pero, punta tayo sa mode, stat mode. So, mode 3, and then regression. So, we have to choose 2, the linear regression here. And then, we input the data, okay? So, pababa lang. 3735, 3860, 2721, 3555, 3319, 2966, 3727, 2605, 3473, 3796, 3310. Okay, for the Y values, 17, 16, 25, 19, 21, 23, 17, 24, 19, 17, and then 18, okay? So, I'm going to press AC, and then shift is at, and then regression 5, and then R 3, okay? So, that is the value of R, negative 0.9596, okay? Negative 0.9596, okay? So, the second question therefore is there a linear relationship? Okay, so is there a linear relationship? Okay, so is there a linear relationship between weight and miles per gallon? Okay, so is there a linear relationship between weight and miles per gallon? So in order to answer this one, Okay, kailangan natin i-compare yung R computed to our R critical. So, ano yung R computed natin? Okay, absolute value of R computed is, ayan, yung na-compute natin sa taas. Tanggalin lang natin yung negative. So, 0.9596. Ngayon ang problema, what is our R critical? The R critical can be located in our table. Okay, so let me open the table now. Okay, this is now our table. So, kailangan natin tignan kung ilan yung N natin. So, yung N natin ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 yung N natin. Therefore, tignan natin yung 11 dito. Okay, so N is 11. Nandito siya. So, ang critical value for R is 0.602. So, let me write that one. 0, okay, 0.602. Okay? 0.602. Ngayon, since our R computed, okay, since our R computed is greater than R critical, yan yung observation natin. R computed is greater than R critical. Therefore, our conclusion is, okay, there is, what is the relationship between X and Y? Strong negative. Strong, since mas malaki yung R computed, so strong siya. And then, is it positive or negative? Since R is negative, so strong negative, okay, linear relationship, okay, between X and Y, or you can say between the weight of the car and the miles per gallon of the car. Okay. Okay, so we have proven that there is indeed a linear relationship between the weight of the car and the miles per gallon of the car. Now, if there is a linear relationship, then it makes sense na i-compute natin yung linear regression equation. Pero kapag dito pa lang sa number 2, ang lumabas ay R computed is less than R critical, ang ibig sabihin, there is no linear relationship between X and Y. Kapag ganun ang nangyari, it does not make sense to solve for the linear regression equation anymore. Okay, so since mas malaki naman yung R computed natin dito, we can go and answer question number 3. Ang ating question number 3 ay, okay, so number 3 is to solve for the linear regression equation. Okay. So, ang kailangan lang natin dito actually from our calculator is A and B. Okay? So, yung A and B can be directly solved using our calculator. Since hindi naman tayo nagtanggal ng data natin dito sa calculator, we can first shift stat again, and then reg, and then here are the values of your A and B. So A, so press 1 is equal to 42.9068. Okay, 42.9068. I'm gonna write that down. So 42.9068. And for our B, shift stat ulit. Shift stat, okay, reg, and then 2. Negative, tignan natin dito. Meron tayong raised to negative 3 times 10 raised to negative 3 dito. So, kailangan natin i-move yung decimal places ng 3 units to the left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So, magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang zeros before 6. Pero yung negative, negative pa rin. Negative 0.006. Okay, nag-move yung decimal places natin ng tatlong beses to the left. 069. Okay, tuloy lang natin yan. 069. Okay, yan na yung value ng A and B natin. Okay, so Our linear regression equation therefore is equal to, di ba, yung A natin is our y-intercept, okay, sa ating linear regression line. Itong B naman is the slope of the line, okay? So therefore, ang ating linear regression equation is y hat is equal to the slope is negative 0.0069, and then lagyan lang natin ng x, and then plus 42.9068. Okay, so yan na yung ating linear regression equation. Okay, linear regression equation. Yan na. Okay? So, napakadali na i-solve yung linear regression equation natin using our calculators. Okay. So, number 4, there is another question here. So, estimate the MPG, the miles per gallon of a car with weight of 3,500. Okay, so to do this, di ba alam natin that X refers to the weight of the car and Y refers to the miles per gallon of the car. So, ibig sabihin nito, we can estimate the MPG or miles per gallon of the car if we are given the weight. Simply, ang gagawin lang natin is to use our linear regression equation y is equal to negative 0.0069, and then let us just substitute yung x, gawin natin 3,500 plus 42.9068. So y is equal to, so ang ginawa lang natin is to substitute for the value of x in the equation, in the linear regression equation, to solve for y. So I can use my calculator again, okay, to solve for y. So negative 0.0069 multiplied by 3,500 and then added to 42.9068. And the answer is 18.7568. 18.7568 miles per gallon. Okay? So, ay, nalulobat na ang mic ko, So, yan, yung ating, estimation of the miles per gallon of the car with a weight of 3,500 pounds. Ngayon, ang problema, the question is, can we estimate the miles per gallon of any car, with a given weight? Ang sagot dito, it depends. Okay? So, merong limitation ang linear regression equation natin. Meron siyang limitation, So, ang limitation niya ganito. Okay? So, balik tayo doon sa natin, sa data natin. Our data is ito. Ang ating minimum value for x ay ito, 2,721. At ang ating maximum ay 3,860. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin nito, ang ating linear regression equation is applicable lamang siya between 2,721, the minimum value for x, and 3,860, the maximum value of x. Ibig sabihin, kapag mas mababa siya kaysa 2,721, we cannot use our linear regression equation. Kapag mas mataas siya kaysa 3,860, we cannot use our linear regression equation. Okay? Applicable lamang ang linear regression equation na na-compute natin dito mula sa minimum papunta sa maximum. Ngayon, ang susunod na tanong. Okay? Ang susunod na tanong ngayon dito is, okay, can we use the linear regression equation, LRE, and we use the linear regression equation to estimate the miles per gallon of Okay, 5,000 pound car. Okay. Ang sabi natin kanina, the linear regression equation can only be used when it is greater than 27 and less than 38. Ibig sabihin, between that, between that weight lamang, okay? Eh, yung 5,000 pounds, it is greater than the maximum already, ano? So, we cannot use our linear regression equation. Okay? So, we cannot use. Ang sagot dito, no. Okay? No. We cannot use the linear regression equation because 5,000 pounds is greater, okay, greater than the, okay, maximum. Okay. Ibig sabihin, it's not applicable, ano? It's not applicable to use the linear regression equation anymore. So, that's it, ano? Yun yung limitation ng linear regression equation natin. We can actually use the linear regression equation to estimate whatever values of the x, kaya lang, there is a limitation. The value of the x should be between the minimum and the maximum value only, okay, based from the given data. So, that's it, okay? So, ganito at ganito rin ang lalabas sa exam ninyo. So, make sure you review very well and good luck, ano? Good luck. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.